Having talked things over with Phobys and Phineas, this is the next generation of the shuttle. At the moment that's going to be controlling 2 stations. When the Arduino was powered up, the locomotive will travel until it breaks the first sensor and then stop. From that position it will then start to accelerate until it hits the second sensor, at which point it will start to slow down. It should continue travelling at a slow speed until it's triggered sensor 3, which is the station sensor, at which point it will stop for 3 seconds and then accelerate again. And when it hits 4, the locomotive will decelerate. Again, that should continue travelling at a slow speed until it reaches the station, where it will trigger sensor 1. Again, 3 seconds stop in the station, as it's programmed at the moment, and then it should start to accelerate again after that. Top speed and minimum speeds are, at the moment, presettable in the software. And also it's running off a 12 volt battery pack and a 5 volt power bank to power the Arduino. The output from the Arduino is fed via 2 optocouplers. One is a pulse width which drives an FET. The second is a digital level which controls the forward and reverse relay. At the moment, forward and reverse has not been implemented in this layout, as it's a loop. Yeah, so that is progress so far. Phobys would like to say thank you for looking, and if you would like to subscribe, he would be immensely happy. And well, until next time, thank you and goodbye.